Hi and welcome. Adam Rovithis with Rovithis Realty. And now on the market is this gorgeous end unit on the beautiful grounds here at Corey Colonial. I can't wait to show you the kitchen. It's been updated like no other in the complex. Beautiful modern finishes and a gorgeous quartz countertop. Come on and follow me inside. I'll show you all my favorite features of this end unit here at Corey Colonial. I hope you enjoyed your personal tour here at 121 Corey Colonial. With summer just around the corner, I could really see myself taking advantage of all the private patio space we have here, as well as the tennis courts and in-ground pool that are all part of the condo fee. If you have any additional questions or would like to schedule a private tour with me, please don't hesitate to contact me at the number below. Also, if you know anyone else looking to live here in Corey Colonial, please share the video link with them. I know they'll thank you. Here at Rovithis Realty, we truly believe who you work with matters, and we want to work with you.